Vighnesh, for your question. Here is your question. How these features like active brake assist system and intelligent stability control, proximity control, lane assist system and other many more features of the Legend Actros came in Mercedes-Benz engineer's mind, and how did they got in the picture? I think, thank you for your question. I think you have been following the Mercedes-Benz technology inventions very closely. Let me come from where it stands for. In the last question, I did answer that 80% of the world patents in automobile technology is with Daimler, and it's just not for fun. There is a continuous innovation going on in our R&D centers, in our headquarters. People are constantly innovating and thinking how to make it a more safer car, how to make the earth a better place to live in by making it a more greener car, and that's how blue efficiency came in. We are constantly thinking that, well, all the features which you see in almost all the cars in the roads, like if you see the airbags, or if you see the disc brakes, everything what you see as safety features are invented by Mercedes-Benz. However, we didn't take a patent, because safety is not only to us, it's for all manufacturers, and we gave it out to all manufacturers. But when it comes to the next level, from active safety to passive safety, we are now thinking, we all know about the disc brakes and the airbags. What's the next level of safety? When we think about the next level of safety, we think, how can we even think about accident before it really happens, and how can we save a life? And that's how constantly the engineers are thinking what ideas to bring into picture which can make Mercedes a safer car. And that's where you can talk about those active brake assist systems or the lane assist systems comes into picture. In a European or in an American circuit, in the roads where you drive in the normal speeds 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, you just can't change lanes. It can be a very fatal accident if you really do so. And if you really do it, if you're unmindful, there's a car which tells you. If you're driving the car at 150 or 200 kilometers per hour, and for a moment you go a little off your mind, and you forget to press your brakes and go and hit your car in front of you, which is also driving at a high speed, there is a system which automatically slams the brakes for you without you pushing the brakes, and the car stops. These are all inventions which are basically passive safety, which we think even if the consumer goes wrong, the machine can't go wrong, and build a machine which really keeps you ahead of others, saves lives, gives lives, and that's what Mercedes stands for.